Ayrton Senna, the Rainmaster. What Ayrton Senna taught us about perseverance. Life doesn't always offer smooth tracks or sunny days. Sometimes it throws relentless rainstorms at us in various situations when everything seems to work against us. Ayrton Senna, the legendary Formula One driver, knew this all too well. Yet, he didn't just drive through the rain, he mastered it. Senna's journey to greatness wasn't handed to him. Born in Sao Paulo, Brazil, he began his career with a raw passion and a kart, defying the odds to climb the ladder of motorsport, Formula One. He wasn't reliant on privilege or shortcuts. He relied on grit, discipline, and an unshakable belief in himself. His mantra is an ideal example to justify this. Being second is the first of the ones who lose. Senna's exceptional skill in the rain earned him the title of Rainmaster. When others faltered, he thrived. In the 1984 Monaco Grand Prix, a young Senna stunned the world. Driving a car far less capable than his competitors, he demonstrated unmatched skill and courage, nearly winning the race as torrential rain poured down. It was a defining moment that revealed his mastery of challenging conditions and his refusal to let external circumstances dictate his success. One of Senna's most unforgettable feats came in 1991 at his home Grand Prix in Brazil. The stakes were high, the rain relentless, and the car far from perfect. In the final laps, Senna's gearbox jammed in sixth gear. Despite the immense strain on his body, with every gear shift now a battle and his arms and shoulders aching, he pushed through. The combination of his physical endurance, mental strength, and tactical brilliance saw him cross the finish line first. As the checkered flag waved, Senna was overwhelmed with emotion, knowing he had achieved his first home victory under almost impossible conditions. He couldn't even stand unassisted as he climbed out of his car, his body giving way after the grueling race. Yet, that moment became a symbol of his unparalleled determination and his ability to overcome even the harshest challenges. But Senna's greatness wasn't just about his skill on the track, it was his mindset. He taught us that no matter how tough the conditions, we can rise above. The rain, for him, was an opportunity to showcase his true potential. He didn't see adversity as a barrier, but as a chance to break through limits and redefine what was possible. Senna's determination to be the best was not fueled by ego, but by purpose. He once said, "You commit yourself to such a level where there is no compromise. You give everything you have, everything, absolutely everything." This relentless pursuit of excellence is a reminder to never settle for mediocrity in any aspect of life. Senna's story is one of perseverance, breaking barriers, and staying true to your vision despite the odds. His life and career serve as an inspiration to embrace challenges, push boundaries, and never shy away from the storm. For those who want to experience his journey firsthand, I invite you to check out the two documentary films Ayrton Senna, The Hero's Journey, and Ayrton Senna, The Fatal Weekend. They beautifully captures the life, struggles, and triumphs of a man who raced not just against competitors, but against every limitation thrown his way. So, the next time you find yourself in the rain, be it figurative or literal, please remember Ayrton Senna. Lean into the challenge, find your rhythm, and drive through the rainstorm.